What is set? Set is a set means collection of defined elements. Set is collection of defined elements. Like see A, B, C, D. It starts with second bracket. There are 4 alphabets. So collection of 4 alphabets, all of them are defined. Okay. So this is the way you can frame collection that is called set. A, B, C, D, all are defined. Now, set has 2 types. One is roster, another is set builder. Roster, or that means tabular form. Suppose you have got a set like this. Set A contains 10 natural number. First, 10 natural number. How to write that? One, two, three, 4, up to 10.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 10 natural number. These are called roster form. These are called roster form. But it has some limitation. What is that limitation? See, if you get a collection of 100 natural number, and if you write in this way, means all elements will be deferred by commas and are confined in second, to second bracket, then it will encroach time, just encroach time. So how to avoid this ambiguity? Then after roster form, another method came, that is called set builder form. What is set builder form? See, instead of
Statements.
yes, all natural numbers. Am I audible? Hope.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now set builder form is what? Instead of writing all 10 elements, if you wish, you can write in this way. Dekho, all natural number, where natural number belongs to 1 to 10. 1 to natural number start होता है 1 से, end होता है 10 में. So instead of writing all these 10 elements, we are writing symbolically. That is called set builder form. Set builder forms, privilege is what? If you follow set builder form, you can take huge number of elements. Suppose in set builder form, sum of 200 even numbers, even natural number. So how to write? Instead of taking the numbers as 2, 4, 6, 8, all these numbers, you can write it symbolically. Twice n, where n starts from 1, ends with 100. So that is set builder form. Okay. So that is the basic of set. Now, how many elements? Suppose this set is given and you are told to explain how many numbers are there in the set. that is called cardinal number. Cardinal number. What is that? Cardinal number. That means number of elements in set A. How to denote it? Denote it by n of A, number of elements. So what is n of A? In this case, cardinal number is 10. Now, suppose there is a room. There is no element in the room. So that set is called empty set. Empty set. If the set is empty, you cannot say zero set. It is called empty set. Empty or null set. This set is denoted by phi. This set is denoted by phi. Now, if you are asked to find the cardinal number of phi, cardinal number of phi is what?
0.
0. N phi is 0. Okay. So, this is the basics of set from which we can start. Now, suppose A is a set contains 3 elements and B is another set contains 4 elements. So, from here one conclusion I can draw that A is the subset of B. Subset, if you get stuck in the concept of subset, then you can recall the concept of less than. Suppose x less than y. What is meant by that? In junior class you were taught. X less than y means y contains all value of x, but y has something more. So here you see A has 1, 2, 3, B has all those 1, 2, 3, but 1 extra 4. That means B is like that less than greater than sign. Here y was greater than x, or B is greater than A, or A is less than B. That concept you bring. Here it is called A is subset of B. How to write this? A is the subset of B. Or in other way you can write B is superset of A. How to write that? How to symbolize? B is superset of A. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Now, here in case of less than or greater than, if there is no equality sign, we can say it is strictly less than. So here there is no question of equality. Why? B contains more element than A, clearly visible. So these are called, this symbolizes what? A is the proper subset. A is a proper subset. By conception, A is strictly less than B, or in lieu of that, you can say A is proper subset of B. Then if
Okay.
this symbolizes proper subset, if this symbolizes proper subset, then what is subset? What is subset? This is called subset of B. Here there is a scope of, here is a scope of equality we are considering. Here it is called, this symbolizes what? This symbolizes what? A is subset of B. A is subset of B. Now, one example. See, there is N. N contains 4 elements. And N is what? Natural number. And W whole number. W whole number 0, 1. Better if I withdraw the upper limit. How whole number is differed by natural number? All are same, but whole number will start from 0. So, this is called whole number. So, obviously, whole number, set of whole number is greater than set of natural number by 0. So, I can write N is the subset of W. But there is a scope of equality. You can ask me why? Here it starts from 1, here it starts from 0. So, always it is natural number will be less than W? No. Suppose you have got these 10, 11, 12, these 3 natural number. So, these 3 natural number is whole number also? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So, there is a scope of equality. So, in this case, it is called subset. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, suppose A is a set 1, 2, 3. Then, how many subset of A we can frame? See, I can frame a subset of A using single element like this. Now, if I wish, I can take it in pair. Then 1, 2, 3. Now, how many subset we can frame? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is that all? No, because null set is also the subset. because null set is subset of all set. Like 0 is lesser than all number. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So how many? So there, how many subsets? So we have got. Therefore, there are 8 subsets. As the set has 3 elements. So it came from 2 cube. 2 power, how many numbers? 3. Now in this manner, if a set has n elements, then
2n.
2 to the power n. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So this is the concept of subset. Now, a set is like this: 1, 2, 3. You can express it, or you can, represent it by diagram. A round shape ball, there are 3 elements. And another set, that is 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Partially overlapping. Now, out of these 2 set, which element is common? This element. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So, this element belongs to the common region. This common region is called A intersection B. How to represent it? A intersection B. And when you are going to combine them, what does it mean? Does it mean that we'll add 2 set? In apparent knowledge, in apparent vision, it seems to us so. Okay, if we are told to unite these 2 set, we have to add this. See, like unite or union. Now we have to unite 2 sets. Union, that is U, N, A union B. Does it mean that we have to add NA, NB? But if I add these 2, there will be one shortcoming. What? Or there is one odd looking thing. What? See, if I add these 2, this common region will be added twice. Yes or no? Common region will be added twice. So, you have to exclude once. So, this is the concept of union and intersection. Intersection is the common part of 2 set. Union is the combination of 2 set. Understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Good. Now, what will happen in case of uh, 3 set? Before that, suppose we have got these 2 set. Let us analyze this example, A and B. Now we will compare the union or this formula on these two sets. What is A intersection B? A intersection B is 3. What is A union B?
All the elements.
All the elements, but one thing to be noticed, that the element 3 coming twice, 1 has to be excluded. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes,
So
sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, after getting the result, if this set is rubbed, now seeing these two at a glance, what conclusion I can draw? That intersection B means 3 belong to both A and B. Yes or no? Once you get A intersection B is equal to 3, that means we can say 3 belongs to both A and B. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So intersection represents both. But if I keep on watch on the combination of these two sets, can I say perfectly that which element belong to which set? No. Because original sets are somehow misplaced. We missed out that. So, in that case, one thing we can say, this 1 belongs to which set I can't say, but this much we can say. 1 belongs to either A or B. 2 belongs to either A or B. All these elements belong to either A or B. So, from this example, we can interpret that union means or condition. Understand? Intersection means both and. Both and. These two conditions will recur. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Now, again come to this example. Suppose if I choose this example, here I can say 1 belongs to A. In words I have written. But how to write it mathematically? 1 belongs to A. This sign represents belongs to. Almost look like epsilon. But here we have only 3 elements, 1 to 3. So 4 does not belong to A. You write 4, first you write belong to A, but as 4 is not found here, scratch it. 4 does not belong to A. Four does not belong to A. Now, once I come to know union means or and intersection means and, then if I get X belongs to A union B, then I can say X belongs to A or X belongs to B. If I get X belongs to A and X belongs to. Okay, so union and intersection gives us that conception. Okay,
Okay, sir.
just wait. Now, this diagram which I have drawn few minutes back is called Venn diagram. Venn diagram. Now, see, uh, suppose two sets are given, but they do not intersect with each other. Okay, that means they are kept aside. ऐसे उसका दोनों का बीच में कोई कॉमन पार्ट नहीं है, तब A and B are called disjoint sets. As they do not have any common part, so I can write A intersection B is equal to null. So n of A intersection B will be 0. This is the condition of disjoincy. Condition of disjoincy. Suppose you have got 1, 2, one set and another set 3, 4. They must be disjoint to each other. Must be disjoint. Got it?
Yes, I got it.
Yes, sir.
One example. Let us take, what? Head and tail. They don't have any common part. Okay. Birth and death, no common part. Like that. Though they are event, they are not set. That will be taught again in probability. But see, I have just given you the example from our daily life. It is mathematics, is logical reasoning, taking elements from daily life routine. Now, this is called disjoint set, we have come to know. Suppose this is a set called universal set. If I analyze this name, universal means it contains all type of set. Like India. India is universal set to any state of any state belong to. Suppose you are in Maharashtra, or you are in Assam, or you are in West Bengal. So you can say India is universal set with respect to West Bengal. India contains all state. Maharashtra is one of them, or Assam is one of them, or Bihar is one of them, like that. So that is called universal set. This, what I can say, whole world, it is universal set with respect to Asia. Okay. So this is called universal set. And there is a set A and there is one element X. So this figure depicts what? Does this X belong to A? No. X does not belong to A. Yes or no? X is that element that does not belong to A. So where does it belong? So I can say it can belong to the remaining part of S. Okay? Remaining part of S. So that is called complement. Complement of set A. It will be denoted by either A superscript C, A bar on the top, or A dash. So any element does not belong to A means it belongs to A complement. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Just wait. So, suppose there is a set S contains 10 elements, 10 natural number, and set A contains first 2 natural number. What is A complement? The remaining part. Remaining part. Now, this A and A complement which you have got, you watch and tell me, do they have any common element? No. So, A and A complement is null set. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So, I can draw one conclusion with that. A and A dash or A superscript C complement disjoint to each other. Okay, they are disjoint to each other. Okay.
Okay, sir.
तो जो पार्ट ए में नहीं है वो कॉम्प्लीमेंट में रहेगा, ठीक है, रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ, और दिस इज सो सिंपल अप्रोच. नाउ using the concept of union or intersection, we'll prove some result. Just wait. Suppose you are told to prove that A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C. See, when I am going to establish that, then again I will take the help of one junior level concept of number system. Suppose x less than y and as well as y is less than x. So, at a time these two will not occur. These two will not occur. So, I can write, once you get this, x is equal to y, it implies x is equal to y. So, we will try to proceed with that concept. Suppose A is the subset of B as well as B is the subset of A, then we can say set A is equal to set B. Same concept. Set A is equal to set B. Is the
Okay.
board visible clearly?
Yes, sir. It's visible.
Now, you start with left hand side. Let x belongs to A union B intersection C. Already we have come to know that this union must be OR. It represents the phenomenon which contains OR, which implies OR. So, x belongs to A or x belongs to B intersection C. Now, we have already come to know intersection means AND. So, okay, instead of intersection I have written AND. Now, you remove this bracket and plug the elements in proper way. What? X belongs to A, x belongs to A, that will be clubbed with x belongs to B with, or sign. Like, you were used to do the product in this way. Say A cross B plus C. In your childhood, how did you deal? How did you defend this multiplication? Distribution. A cross B means A will be clubbed with B with cross sign. And same A will be clubbed with C with cross sign. In between them, there will be a plus sign. So here also, we'll use that. X belongs to A, it will be clubbed with B with odd sign. If I remove this bracket, and same X belongs to A, it will be clubbed with C with odd sign. So what will be the operation in between these two? And okay, got it up to this stage?
Yes, I got it.
Just look at once. Now, this thing means or means union. And or means union. Now, and means intersection. So, you observe from where did I start? Where did you pursue with that result? Considering one element or any element, X belongs to this set, we could reach up to that. What? X belongs to the same thing. Does it mean that this is equal to this? No. That does mean that this is the subset of this, not equal to. So, once I got that concept that X belongs to this and the same X belongs to this, so that doesn't mean that this will be equal to this. That means what? That means A union B intersection C is the subset of A union B intersection A union C, that is result 1. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, I started from left hand side and by simplifying I could reach to the right hand side. Now, I will start from right hand side and I will come to left hand side. See, just reverse method. What is the right hand side? This is the right hand side. Now, y belongs to the right hand side of this. Again, that intersection means we know and. Okay. Now, these unions will be replaced by OR. Union means OR. Okay. So, I can write them separately. What is that? What is that? See, that part is common to both combination. Means x belongs to A is belong to this bracket as well as this bracket. So, x belongs to A are connected with B and C both. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So, I can write that Y belongs to A or Y belongs to B and C. Okay? You just observe here Y belongs to A or Y belongs to A or B, Y belongs to A or C. So I can write Y belongs to A or Y belongs to B and C. Matter is same. You just remove this bracket, you will get Y belongs to A or B and Y belongs to B or C in back calculation. So instead of this, I can write this. Now Y belongs to A or so in the previous case, we started from left hand side, I could reach right. Now I started from right hand side and could reach to the left hand side. This is result 2. Now this thing states us what? That this part, see, Y belongs to this and same Y belongs to this. Does it mean that these two are equal? No. But this thing at least it can mean that A union B intersection A union C is the subset of that is result 2. Now you combine 1 and 2. See, few minutes back we got that result. A is the subset of B as well as B is the subset of A. Then I can write A is equal to B. So by 1 and 2 we get okay.
Okay, sir.
Is it that much of tough? No, I think.
Yes, sir.
Now let us do one sum from this part. Just wait. Before doing sum, we have to know few terms again. Difference of two sets like this, A minus B. What does it mean? What does it mean by A minus B? See, A minus B means X is an element which belongs to A, but not B. What about B minus A? X is an element, belongs to B, but not belongs to. So this is the difference of two sets. Suppose A is a set 1, 2, 3, B is a set 3, 4, 5. So what is A minus B? A minus B is the set which contains A but not B, means these two. What is B minus A? B minus A is the set contains B but not A, that means 4, 5. Understand? This is called difference of two sets. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, if A and B have some symbol like this between them, what is meant by this? It is called symmetric difference. Symmetric difference between A and B. What does it mean? We have come to know difference. Symmetric difference, A minus B. That is the difference. One difference is A minus B and B minus A, and put union sign. That is called symmetric difference between A and B. Just wait. Let's see, in JEE or any competitive, even in board, what type of question you have to defend. See, let the set C. How we can define C? C is a set contains order pair xy. How x and y related? X to the power y minus, sorry, x square, not y. X square minus 2 to the power y. Two zero two three, where x, y are natural number. X, y natural number. This is the way a set is defined. Now, summation of summation of x plus y, where x and y belongs to C. How to find? It looks very difficult. It came, how it is related to any competition? It came in 2024 JEE men. January first shift or second shift. See how to proceed. See, x square minus 2 to the power y, and it is natural number. So the sum looked very critical, but once we catch the trick, then it will become so diluted for us. See, x square, so there is a square number. So 2023, by the conception of yesterday's rule of finding square root, you can get that its nearest square value is 2025. So instead of 2023, if you wish, you can write 2025 minus 2. That is same as 2023. Now you can ask me, what is the use of this? Just 45 square, 2025 mean, and that is 2 to the power 1. Now it is natural number, so only this way we can split 2023. Okay, so instead of 2023, I have written 2025 minus 2. Just seeing this difference, the comparing this to this difference of these two number, ऐसे देख के बोल दिया. Now देखो ये x होगा 45 और y 2 का पावर y, यहाँ पे 2 का पावर 1, सो y का वैल्यू मिल गया 1. Therefore summation of x plus y 45 plus 1 46. So it is a gifted sum. Those who sat for JEE in 2024 and had to face this problem, for him or her, it was a gift sum. Okay.
Okay.
Next sum, which can involve little bit of trigonometry, but it is also related to JEE. Let P is a set which contains the elements denoted by theta. Now what criteria of theta is given? What type of number this theta is? Theta can be derived by solving this equation. Q is also contains such theta which satisfies there is one mistake, just ignore, there is minus sign. Then how P and Q, these two sets will be related? Then Option A, P is the subset of Q. And not null. Q D, P is equal to Q. Now let's see out of these four what to be chosen. It came in which year? Let's see. 2000, JE 2011. So I hope you could see this. This is the sum. Could you follow? Okay. There. Now, first I will choose set P, where P is the collection of theta, where theta can be derived by this equation. Let us take P, collection of theta. Now, you choose this equation. Minus cos theta to be taken in the right hand side. So, from these two, what can I take common? Cos theta. Bring cos theta. Drag cos theta to the denominator of sin theta. Tan theta root 2 plus 1. So I have got one result which implies tan theta root 2 plus 1 from which set? P. Okay.
Oh,
Now we'll analyze the set S. Q, sorry. Q set to be analyzed. Let's see Q. From Q what we can get. Q is also collection of theta. Theta which are chosen from this equation. Now you see sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 2 sin theta. Now bring that root 2 sine theta or you keep cos theta in left hand side and shift this sine theta to the right. So I can take sine theta common. Now, one by root 2 minus 1. Rationalize it. I have got the same value which I got from the P also. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So, this implies that the theta you are choosing from P as well as from Q are same. So, what conclusion I can draw? I can, if I join this, I can get P is equal to Q. That implies option D. Okay, option D correct.
Okay, sir.
Just wait. Now, if three sets are involved, like two sets, if three sets are involved, like this, this is set A, B, and C. Now, if you are told to find n of A union B union C, is that actually the summation of all these three sets? Let's see, NA plus NB plus NC. But we get fumble in addition of three set. Why? Because once you are adding these two, that means you are adding this common region of A and B twice. So, one common region to be subtracted. Now, when you are adding these two, this common region you are uh, counting twice. So, one has to be subtracted. And when you are adding this to this common region to be subtracted. Now, in that in the matter of subtraction, this common region, this is the common region of A, B, and C. It is subtracted or excluded twice, just to balance, to add one. Okay, so this is the formula of where three sets are involved. Okay. Now, one sum related to this concept we will do now. It came also in joint entrance exam and recent past. The question is, an organization awarded 48 medals. An organization awarded 48 medals in event A, '25 in event B, and 18 in event C. If these medals went to if if these medals went to total 60 men, and only 5 medals sorry only 5 men got all the 3 events. All the 3 events, then how many received? Then how many received medals in exactly 2 of 3 events? Option A 10, option B 9, option C 21, option D 15. Now, first of all, you see these 60 means what? 60 men where these medals will go. Now, in event A, event B, event C, therefore NA is equal to 48. It came in JE 2023. JE 2023. Now NA 20, that is 48. Now NB 25, NC 18. In A union B union C, the formula which we have just discussed, Na plus Nb plus Nc minus N A intersection B, B intersection C, C intersection A plus N A intersection B intersection C. Okay. Now A union B union C, that is 60. Na how much? 48. NB how much? 25. NC 18. These we are told to find. Minus common. And this is plus 5. Now, we are told to find this value. Bring this in left hand side. This is 48 plus 18, 66, 91. That is 36. But that doesn't match with any option. What is meant by that? Actually, this part is what? See, three sets are overlapping with each other. This is A intersection B. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is B intersection C. You are adding. And this is C intersection A. Yes or no? That three are added. But when I have been told what? I have to find only this region, exact 2, sorry, exact 2 means this part has to be removed from each one. Why? This region, see, I am just shading it. ये शेड हो रहा है. ये जो पार्ट है वो है एग्जैक्टली ए एंड बी. ये जो पार्ट है देखो यहाँ पे जो येलो इस पार्ट एग्जैक्टली बी एंड सी. यस और नो? एंड ये यहाँ पे जो व्हाइट पार्ट है व्हाइट ये है एग्जैक्टली ए एंड सी. सो from each of these what can I exclude? each में जो पार्ट है कॉमन पार्ट है that I will exclude. Yes or no? So these region are indicating exactly two metals. Yes or no? ठीक है?
हाँ सर.
So you go to the question. What is the question? Question is then how many received medals? Exactly 2 of 3 events. So here I have got those men who are getting medals in 2 events but not exactly 3. So men got medals in exactly 2 events. That is what? See, in A intersection B minus this plus in B intersection C minus this and in C intersection A minus this. Now these three summation is 36. Minus thrice into answer is 21. So with which option it is coming? It is coming with option C. Understand?
Yes sir.
So this chapter is not that much of tough which we had left in the past. So but you know these sums is really confusing. Maximum students will get stuck at this stage. They think, okay, I have got the combination of 2 set. That means here in 2 events the achieving medals or in 2 events are involved. No. From each of these 2 events you have to subtract the common region of 3 also. Understand?
Yes sir.
So whatever is taught, I think you understood. You go through
Yes,
this
sir.
chapter. I hope if you revisit the video again, then it will be much more clear to you. Go through yesterday's question of JE. If you get stuck, just knock me with and give me the question. I will send you the solution. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So see you for the next class. Thank you. Goodbye.
Okay sir. Thank you.
Next, see, hello, Saurabh. Hello.
Yes sir.
From next class onwards, we will discuss your doubts and some important things, which we generalize in the जो हम ऐसे ही generalize करके हो गया था. थोड़ा specific कुछ shortcut trick, कुछ important revision from next day से start होगा. ठीक है?
Okay sir. No worries.
Okay. Keep it up.
Thank you sir.